Mm. Oh, today I got up at sharp 6. Got up at 6 and my stomach was feeling empty. You know, sometimes when you get up in the morning, your stomach feels empty. So I didn't know it was 6. My stomach was feeling empty. I was like, okay, I'll go have a snack. But then when I checked the time, it was like 6. Like, oh shit, okay. Immediately my mind was thinking like, okay, now what do I have to do? You know, what is my target? So my my brain started referencing the files for work to be done, and immediately I knew that okay, I have to complete 3 videos. I have to clean up my phone because there are so many Instagram uploads I have to finish. You know, I save it once a month. I have to clear my phone. I have to clear my iMac. All the files I have to delete. So there's so much of work. And then as the day passes by, you tend to get tired and lazy and all. So I was like, okay, get up. So got up. My stomach was empty. I was just worried maybe my sugar levels will go down if I go running. But I was like, no, I think I can stabilize. So then went to the next room, woke up my wife. My wife was like, I woke her up. She's like, what? I said, go make black coffee. We have to start work. My wife, she was like, you know, but she knows when I say work means work. So she got up dutifully. I dressed up. I put my gear. And she went and I told her, okay, I'll just go run. She said, what about, you don't want to drink anything? I said, no, let me just finish my run. So I went, as I was going for my run, it suddenly struck me, okay, I can go to the morning market and take a video and upload it. So at least I can share something different. You'll see a market video. Maybe I'll show you a screenshot or the link will be down below. So I did a little bit of shopping and took the camera, and then I came back, gave wife all the groceries, everything else, and now trying to finish my videos for the day. You know when I think about it now, it's so crazy because it's like I'm doing things so fast. Oh wow, look at this. See, there are no ants here. But here, if you see, ants are building. And there's massive colony of ants. You can literally see it. It's like a line, you know, from far. But if you come close, see, ants. Everyone busy with work. Everybody's busy with work, even the ants. Just look at the line, man. Form a line like formation, you know. See, so systematic. So everyone's busy with work. Everybody's getting up in the morning to do work. In fact, in my house, ants have started to come. So I told my wife, vinegar with bleach, when you mix that and you put, the fumes are too much, but no insects come. You know, in my house, I like to keep it clean. So what I was saying was, it's so crazy that I work with a sense of urgency. I work with a sense of, wait, loud scooter. I work with a sense of urgency. I work with a sense of like a mad rush, you know. I'm not trying to praise myself. I'm just telling you that life is, you know, if you have to succeed, not like, I'm not talking millionaire or billionaire, just normal. If you want to have a good life, you need to have this kind of responsibility, self-responsibility, you know. Like I used to always, when I was young, I'll tell you seriously, when I was young, I used to always ask myself, how do people get up without an alarm clock? How do people get up so early? Don't you feel lazy? Like, yeah, when I was young, I would put an alarm clock and then I want to sleep a few more minutes. I want to sleep a few more hours. Oh, you just put the alarm and try to sleep and snooze. And but when you are self-employed, no, when you are your own boss, okay, agreed, I can sleep whenever I like and get up whenever I like. But that sense of the fear, the worry, the stress, the realization that I have this small window of opportunity where I can make money, very small. And if I'm not careful, I will miss this window of opportunity. Like, see, the reason why I come fast is because you can hear the insects. The insects are not making any sound. Once it starts getting hot, the insects, all the cricket and cicadas and all that shit, they start making zzz, all that sound. And then I can't do the video here. And then if my videos are late, then the upload takes time. Then by the time I feel hungry or I feel sleepy or something happens throughout the day, and you know, you don't believe, yesterday 6 videos or 7 videos that I uploaded, it took me the whole day, man. Whole day. Just let that sink in, the whole day. In between I got hungry, in between I got sleepy twice, got up, again did work. I wanted to play a game yesterday. I wanted to play a little bit of the game. I bought that new monitor. There also I didn't get time because I was so exhausted. And by the time it was like night, I was like this. I was so tired. So, see, I'm not trying to lecture you guys, but you know, it's the truth is this: if you want to succeed, no, if you want to become something, you need to have this kind of behavior. Now, I know what you'll say. Like, I'm sure that if you don't love your job, or you're not interested in your job, or you don't have passion, then you can't get up. I don't blame you for it. You're working for somebody else. Your salary will remain the same no matter how hard you work. I understand. But even in the competitive world, the person who shows the management that he's better, or he has a fire, or who shows more interest. See these ants, they got crushed to death. See, they got crushed to death. They had a nice big train and something. See here, most of the ants are here. So, see, when these guys go, the ants, it's like they get killed. Life goes on. It's like human beings, you know. In Syria, there's a bomb. In some other country, there's something, and people die, but other people have to go on with their life. This is life, you know. So, yeah, so what I was saying was, this is how life is, man. You either figure out what you love to do and what you're passionate about, or if you don't have the, you know, capacity, or you don't want to, or create your own thing. But then you need to ask yourself, do you want a good life? If you want a good life, if you want to earn reasonably good, you know, work your ass off, man. 24/7. 24/7. Just check the number of videos I put. Every single day I put a video. Sometimes I hardly get 100 views. I think, what the fuck, yeah, after all that effort, 100 views, what the fuck. But, you know, but that, the thing is there in the heart that this is my work. Whether 100 views or the 50 views, whether 2 views, I have to do it. Yeah, there is always that hope. One day, it'll go to 1,000, you know, 100,000 views per video or something like that. One day, who knows? Maybe that day will never come. Maybe if that day comes, I'll say, see, I believed in myself, I never gave up. You know, like when they're holding the Oscar. Never give up, believe in yourself, don't let anyone tell you you can't do it. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you through this video that if you just woke up, morning, whatever, work with a sense of urgency. Work hard. Work smart. Have that fire that wakes you up in the morning and you're like, shit, I have to do this is fast. There's no time to fucking take it easy, man. Your competition is working their tail off. You better work your tail off. That's all I want to tell you, man. I hope this gave you a daily dose of reality. Anyway, you guys take care. It's me signing off. Ciao.